feeling dizzy or wet at the moment?
Yes, I am feeling a little dizzy.
Okay, I'm monitoring your vital signals. Taking your blood pressure and
Okay, I'm monitoring your vital signal. I'm checking your blood pressure and pulse. Okay, I'm monitoring your vital signal. I'm checking your blood pressure and pulse. Pressure is slightly low, but I'm considering the one at the moment the bleeding is under control and it's very hard to stop the bleeding.
Thank you, nurse.
Please don't worry, I'm taking care of him and also preparing the bleeding. Slightly low, but I'm controlling the bleeding now and planning forward with therapy.
Nurse, is my husband ready now? Is my husband ready now?
At the moment, the bleeding is under control.
This is the nurse.
Please don't worry, I'm taking care of him. I'm also preparing a clean bandage.
What kind of bandage?
I'm laying gentle, I'm covering the wound and changing the bandage now.
Thank you, nurse.
Welcome, I'm documenting the blood pressure and the wound condition in your medical record.
I am referring to her.
The blood is fresh and red, which means the wound is still active. I'm monitoring the bleeding closely.
What kind of blood is that?
Still active, I'm observing the bleeding closely.
I am going to be okay.
Yes, miss, I'm staying with you and monitoring your condition and reporting your condition to the doctor now.
Should we call the doctor if needed?
Yes, I'm informing the doctor about the bleeding and your vital signs.
Thank you for reading and nurse.
It's my responsibility. Please tell me if the bleeding increases or if you feel